What's up guys? Chris here from Crazy Auto Premier, and today we've got the redesigned 2020 for Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class. Luxury SUV in the house. Mercedes has stepped up their game once again with a fresh new look and their first ever plug-in hybrid powertrain for the GLE. Let's check it out. For 2024, Mercedes gave their mid-size GLE SUV a facelift with a revised front bumper, updated grille, new lighting elements, and restyled wheels. They've even updated interior trim pieces with new chrome accents around the vents and two-tone upholstery options. But the real showstopper is inside. With these massive dual 12.3-inch widescreen displays spanning the entire dashboard, it's like having a Times Square video billboard right in front of you. Mercedes also updated their MBUX infotainment system to the latest generation with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you can control this crazy system in several ways. By touch on the screens, using this slick touchpad on the console, or by voice commands like "Hey Mercedes, find me the nearest charging station." The voice control is wicked smart. That's right. For 2024, Mercedes introduces their first ever plug-in hybrid powertrain for the GLE lineup. The GLE-450E. It pairs a turbo 2.0 all-4 cylinder with an electric motor for a combined 381 horsepower. Even better, it's got a 23.3 kilowatt-hours battery pack that should give you around 40 miles of pure electric driving, so you can easily do your daily commute or errand running without burning a drop of gas. But when you want to have some fun, just flick it over to the performance drive mode and let all 381 horses loose revs engine. This thing accelerates like a muscle car. Yet when you're just cruising in town, you get the full silent luxury of experience. Outside of the new plug-in hybrid, the GLE is still quintessential Mercedes. You can get your choice of powerful gas engines too. From the 255 horsepower turbo for GLE-350 to a 362 horsepower inline-six GLE-450, all the way up to the 504 horsepower twin-turbo V8 monster GLE-580. And don't forget that fancy air suspension that can raise up for extra off-road clearance, or even wiggle the GLE loose if you get stuck in deep sand or mud. Even with all this performance and capability, there's still room for plenty of luxury too. The cabin is decked out with premium leather and wood trims. You can even option a third-row seat, while still having room for up to 26 carry-on suitcases with the rear seats folded flat. Pricing for the 2020 for Mercedes GLE-Class starts at around $64,000 for the base GLE-350 model. But in my opinion, you gotta go for the new GLE-450E plug-in hybrid, which I expect will be just a few thousand more. With that electric driving range and performance, it's the perfect blend of Mercedes luxury and efficiency. Let me know what you guys think of the new GLE down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more crazy premieres on the hottest new cars and trucks.